Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks Online with AI for expense categorization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate QuickBooks Online with AI for expense categorization, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings gear icon in the upper right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Advanced. Scroll down to find the Automation section. Enable the feature for auto-categorizing transactions if it is not already turned on. Now, go back to the dashboard and access the Banking tab on the left side. Connect your bank account by clicking on the Link Account button. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details and authenticate the connection. Once connected, QuickBooks will begin to import your transactions. After the transactions load, find the For Review tab in the Banking section. QuickBooks uses AI to suggest categories for your expenses. Review the suggested categories for accuracy. If necessary, adjust the category for any transactions that are incorrectly categorized. You can also set up rules for consistent categorization in the future. To do this, click on the Banking Rules option from the drop-down menu. Select Create Rule and define the criteria for your transactions. Once your rules are set, click Save. Now your transactions will be automatically categorized based on the rules you've established. Review your categorized expenses regularly to ensure everything remains accurate. This will help you keep your financial records organized and up to date. And that's how you activate QuickBooks Online with AI for expense categorization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.